All right, the annual Bra-Ha-Ha is back. It's a series celebrating survivors with artistry, awards, auctions, and more, as the Chesapeake Regional Health Foundation raises money to improve breast care and provide free resources to people across Hampton Roads. Joining us now with an inside look at the event is Noelle Gramlich from the Chesapeake Regional Health Foundation. Thank you so much for joining us, Noelle.
Thank you for having me.
So tell me first, or tell everyone who hasn't been before, what is this Bra-Ha-Ha?
The Bra-Ha-Ha is an annual campaign that raises awareness and funds for breast cancer.
Gotcha. And what are the requirements to participate, to make a bra? How does that all work?
So there's several events that are part of the campaign, and we start with the first one, which is September 6th, which is the 5K race, and it starts on the campus of Chesapeake Regional. We also have a Bra-Ha-Ha event in Elizabeth City, the Chamber of Commerce, and that's September 13th. But our big event is October 3rd, which is the award show and auction, and that showcases bras that are made and decorated by the community, and they all tell a story, whether it be that they're a breast cancer survivor or they have a survivor in their family. So anyone that's interested in participating in that, brahaha.org has all of the information to sign up for the 5K and also to register your bra. September 12th is the deadline to apply and to put an application in for your bra. And then the end of September is when they're dropped off. And at the award show and auction, all of the bras are on display. And then we have an awards show where breast cancer survivors will model the winning bras at the end as kind of like a celebration. That's awesome.
So do people get the bras for themselves? Do you provide the bras? How does that work?
The people buy the bras themselves. It's a 38C back closure, and they decorate them. And there's a small, a fee to enter. And then after the Bra-Ha-Ha on October the 3rd, all of the bras are taken to Lynn Haven Mall and are on display in Center Court for 3 weeks. And we have a people's choice. So anybody out there visiting can look at the bras and vote for their favorite bra, another way to raise funds.
Awesome. And I understand that this also helps people get free mammograms.
Yes.
How does that work?
Yes. That is one of the main things for Bra-Ha-Ha, is to raise funds to provide mammogram for uninsured and underinsured community members. So anyone that signs up or registers and calls Chesapeake Regional or our mobile mammography to schedule a mammogram, all they have to do is say that they'd like to use Bra-Ha-Ha funds, and they will ask them a few questions, and then they'll process that way.
Gotcha. And what is the importance of people being able to get mammograms and having access to that?
Well, early detection is really what Bra-Ha-Ha is promoting. So early detection is the key. So we want people to be able to get mammograms whether they can afford it or not. So that's why we raise funds through all of the Bra-Ha-Ha. And there's a lot of community events as well. There's third-party events where people will raise money for us so that we can provide that service for our community members.
Awesome. So one more time, give us the important dates we need to know and the website to head to if people are interested.
September 6th is the 5K, and that starts at the Jennings Center on the campus. October 3rd is the award show and auction, and that's at the Delta Hotel in Chesapeake, and the deadline to register a bra is September 12th.
All right. Well, Noelle, thank you. Great event for a great cause.